Hello friends, welcome once again to our step-by-step Julia programming tutorial. In this part, in this chapter, you will learn how to write comments in Julia programming. So comments are very important if you want to provide some information to your program that you don't want to execute. So if you want your program to skip some part of your code, so you can write that part in the comments. Comment is useful to provide some information that what is happening inside the code. If many developers are working on a same program, so you can explain the work of that piece of code in comments. So there are many uses of comments. Now let's see how we can write comments in Julia. For that, first we have to run Julia. So just open Julia and this will bring up this Julia IDE for us. And now here, to create a single line comment, you just have to write hashtag. So if you will write hashtag and then followed by hashtag, you can write whatever you want to comment. So for example, I want to comment this line, single line comment, and if you will hit enter, you will see no error is raised because we have written this line in just after hashtag. If you will write some sentence or a word without this hashtag, then you will get error. Let's write hello. So you can see this hello is not written inside any single quote or double quote, and also there is no hashtag here. So you can see error, and this is undefined variable error. Hello is not defined, so it is considering hello as a variable, but this variable has not been declared in the program. So if you have to write something, if you want your program to skip something, you can write hashtag. Now comments are also of multiple lines. So if you have to create a multiple line comments, for that you have to write hashtag, then followed by is equal to sign. Then here you can write your multiple line comment. When you will hit enter, so you will see an indent here, and now here you can write another line. Hit enter, you can write another line, and so on. And then when you have to close your comment, let's write some text here, and then if you have to close your comment, you simply have to write is equal to and then hashtag and hit enter, and now you can see you will not see any error here, and this way your comment will be created. And this is very helpful if you want to communicate through your programming that what are you going to do here. Now in the next part we will learn about variables in Julia. As you can see, we have already seen undefined variable error here. So in the next part we will discuss what are variables, what are the use of variables, and how we can declare variables in Julia programming, so that if we can store some values in those variables and then use those variables for programming. Thanks for watching this video. In the next part you will see how to declare a variable and how to assign some values to it.